Hello there, everyone. Today is Saturday, May 11th, 2019. And even though I talked to you all yesterday about the other press releases and, of course, important news stories, I am, of course, going to read something additional today that is very important for the 7. This was a press release that came out on Thursday, the 9th, and this is about the 7, the old purple line. Now, what's up with our purple friend, you may be asking? Well, the 7 officially has become the second in the NYCT system to move into modern automatic train operation. So let's read the press release. So, New York City Transit announced officially that it had completed earlier this week the implementation of automatic train operation, a technology that helps enable faster and more reliable service on the Flushing line in Queens. It is the second alone in the system after the L line. This news just comes months after the introduction of a modern computerized signal system called Communications-Based Train Control, or CBTC, on the line that had already led to dramatic increases in on-time performance and other metrics associated with good service. The ATO is expected to further improve customer commutes on the line. Under manual train operation, individual train operators with varying degrees of experience and confidence control the rate of speed, including braking and acceleration. Under ATO, the train is programmed to automatically provide optimal acceleration, braking, cruising speeds, providing more regular and evenly spaced service in smoother, faster trips. Operators continue to instruct the train to depart a station, making sure that the train tracks are clear throughout the ride and control emergency braking in the case of obstacles. So they pretty much have this right here. There are some numbers. Since CBTC was installed back in December of 2018, service has improved steadily each month. ATO and CBTC have also helped NYCT increase the number of peak trains per hour on the 7 line from 25 to 27, providing service for an additional 2,400 to 4,800 people per hour. On-time performance numbers have gone up from 74.7% the month before CBTC was installed to 91% in March of 2019. A year ago, in March of 2018, on-time performance was just 55.5%. In November 2018, service delivered, the percentage of scheduled trains that are actually provided during the peak hours on the 7 line was 89.3%. The month after CBTC was installed, it rose to 95%, increasing further to 96.8% in March. Major incidents on those that delay 50 or more trains have also decreased drastically. There were an average of 8 monthly major incidents between January and November of 2018. During the time frame of December 2018 to March of 2019, there was a monthly average of 2.75. So think about that. Those numbers are just incredible. I wanted to quickly pause on that statistic right there. One more note, additional train time, a metric detailing the average time a customer spent on board a train beyond their scheduled travel time, has gone down dramatically from 1 minute 40 seconds in November of 2018 to just 31 seconds in March of 2019. So you see here are the numbers. And I gotta admit, this is, these numbers don't lie. So you got weight assessment. Alright, so they do have it right here. Okay, good. So we're just loading if it'll just come up. I mean, look at these numbers. This is just incredible. I'm going to zoom in if you're on a mobile phone, so you all can get an idea. Just look at this. This is just amazing. There we go. That's better. So you see here, wait time. Just amazing. Just amazing. The numbers have gotten up since April, around April of 2018. And it's continued to go up since November. And here we are. Just incredible. Really incredible. So all I'm going to say is to Andy Byford, once again, thank you for putting progress. Hopefully there'll be more news in the future about other lines in the system that possibly will have the automatic train operation installed. Hopefully this will mean less issues on the 7, and hopefully 7 will be great again. So with that, that's going to wrap up this quick video of me, of course, reading the press release for the good news with regards to the 7 train finally having the automatic train operation fully installed. I'm not going to read the Andy Byford comment because then it would just make the video long enough as it is. So with that, thank you all for watching. Until the next one, please take care.